Hi, my name is Mohamed Ibrahim, and I am currently undergoing my bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering. Currently, I am a second-year student in mechanical engineering at the University of Alberta. I've been instructed with a task to research and describe how mechanical engineering innovation is improving the welfare of the public in Alberta in 2016. Before I talk about how the welfare of the public in Alberta is being improved by the innovation in the mechanical engineering field, I'd like to take a brief moment of your time and spend the next minute or so briefly describing what I consider to be innovation. In order to be innovative, you need to be able to manifest creative thoughts or ideas into an invention, good, or service that creates value for which customers will pay and provide solutions. Not only do you have to be creative when turning your thoughts into action, but throughout the process of bringing your idea to life, you need to be economically cost efficient whilst satisfying a specific need. One thing that all engineers share the same is their drive to apply what they know to the real world. Due to this, engineers are often tasked to create ideas with a purpose. These purposes may vary. They can be as simple as making a profit, changing social norm, or by simply creating a difference in the world around us or within our personal lives. Being innovative can prove to be challenging, mainly because a lot of things have already been done or are being done. Innovation requires problem-solving skills, technical skills, and even experimentation, but it's quite rewarding because it doesn't just enable you to survive, but it allows you to thrive in the world. Seeing success in the ideas you've created and brought to life builds your confidence in your ability to turn your ideas into reality with increased speed and decreased risk. Essentially, innovation is as simple as taking something existing or new and transforming it into something that creates new wealth, opportunities, and improves the well-being of society. One innovation that is being made into reality is located right here at the University of Alberta, and it is known as EcoCar. More specifically, I'd like to talk about the fuel cell technology that is located within the EcoCar. This fuel cell technology is quite impressive with respect that it can show what it can do when one goes away from powering their car with the standard gas and oil. Although many engineers from different fields come together to work on the project known as EcoCar, it can be noted that the mechanical engineers have been an integral part in the dynamics of the vehicle. The EcoCar has 5 pieces of important technology embedded in its system. The first piece is the power control unit, which governs the flow of electricity. The second piece is the electric motor, which propels the vehicle much more quietly, smoothly, and efficiently than an internal combustion engine and requires less maintenance. There's also the fuel stack, which converts hydrogen gas and oxygen into electricity to power the electric motor, and it has a high output battery which stores energy generated from regenerative braking and provides supplemental power to the electric motor. The last and final piece is known as the hydrogen storage tank, which stores hydrogen gas compressed at extremely high pressures to increase driving range. The fuel cell is comprised of 4 major parts throughout the process. Firstly, the hydrogen fuel is channeled through the fuel flow plates to the anode on one side of the fuel cell, while oxygen from the air is channeled to the cathode on the other side of the cell. Secondly, at the anode, a platinum catalyst causes the hydrogen to split into positive hydrogen ions, also known as protons, and negatively charged electrons. Thirdly, the polymer electrolyte membrane, also known as the PEM, allows only the positively charged ions to pass through it to the cathode. The negatively charged electrons must travel along an external circuit to the cathode, creating an electrical current. Lastly, at the cathode, the electrons and positively charged hydrogen ions combine with oxygen to form water, which flows out of the cell. Fuel cell technology is a better alternative to gasoline due to the fact that during the chemical process, only heat and pure water are given off as a byproduct. Since water and heat are the only products produced, it can be noted that no pollution will derive from the fuel cell and therefore be more environmentally friendly. However, there is room for improvement for fuel cells. They can be quite expensive, and in order to be competitively priced compared to gasoline-powered vehicles, fuel cell systems must cost $30 per kilowatt. The graph shown before you indicates that a projected transportation fuel system cost by 2017 has a targeted amount of $30 per kilowatt. Hopefully this goal is reached and enable EcoCar to bring their fuel cell to the public and show how efficient, environmentally, and economically friendly a fuel cell powered vehicle can be. Thank you for watching. My name is Mohammed and I hope you enjoyed this video presentation.